Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Gang of 4 robbers killed 2 women of Naik family at Mangor Hill, ransack and loot flat. Pratima Naik and 6 months old survives attack, police clueless. Nuve dacoity, police nab 3 accused. Dacoity plan from Sada sub jail by inmates. Under trials accused of murder planned it. IGP drops a bombshell. Public hearing of MOPA EIA on Sunday at Pedne. MOPA opponents demand postponement of meeting. Fear clash between MOPA supporters and opponents. Cabinet approves Zilla Panchayat election on party lines. Plans to conduct Gram Panchayat election also on party lines. Government to issue ordinance. And former Union Minister Natarajan's decisions under scanner, drops bombshell on Congress High Command, charges Rahul for dictates on environment clearances. And now the news in detail. Gang of robbers murdered 2 women from Naik family at Mangor Hill on Thursday night. 4 robbers entered the flat, strangulated Usha Naik and her daughter-in-law, ransacked, looted the flat and fled away. Luckily, the youngest daughter-in-law Pratima and a 6-month-old baby survived the attack. When Pratima raised an alarm with neighbors, they immediately called police.
Usha Naik and her daughter-in-law Neha Naik were brutally murdered by a gang of 4 robbers. Deceased Usha Naik and her 2 daughter-in-laws stayed in this flat. Usha Naik's both sons are working as seamen. There was no male member in the house when the dacoits attacked Naik family. The youngest daughter-in-law Pratima Naik narrated the account of horror.
रात्री कसं शिरले ते माहीत नाही, कारण मी पण वरती झोपलेली होती आणि मला एकदमच आवाज आला ओरडायचा, म्हणून मी माझ्या जाऊच्या रूममध्ये बघायला गेले. तर तोपर्यंत मागनं एक माणूस तिच्याकडे होता आणि हे मागनं मला एकटा कोणतरी धरला. मी आवाज हे करायचं म्हणून माझं तोंडाला हे केलं आणि माझ्या गळ्याला दोरीने हे केलं.
Resident says police are taking duties casually. Nakabandi is just an eyewash.
The Nakabandi Challa is very pathetic. There is no people, the constable who are doing it, they are serious for their jobs.
IGP Sunil Garg has assured to crack the case.
We have constituted a special team for this particular murder case. SDPO Vasco, team will be headed by him. Under him, 2-3 inspectors have been designated, and hopefully we will work out this case very soon. One version of the complainant who survived, the one daughter-in-law who survived, she is the youngest out of those 2. She says that somebody has snatched her some earrings and one neck chain of the neck, I think. It is premature to conclude today that it is only murder or with robbery. We are investigating on various angles and we are hopeful for this case.
Dishan Parab for Prudent.
Inspector General of Goa Police has hit hard at the Sada's jail authorities for poor security arrangements. While solving a robbery case committed in Nuve, police has found that conspiracy of robbery was hatched inside Sada jail by an under trial accused of murder. Anti-burglary squad of Goa Police has solved the case and has arrested 3 accused, including the main conspirator, under trial inmate.
Inspector General of Goa Police Sunil Garg has raised serious questions over the security arrangements inside Sada jail. Sunil Garg stated that inmates are freely using mobile phones inside the jail and even planning the crime plots from jail. Sunil Garg also stated that Goa Police has made many recommendations to jail authorities, but till date security inside jail is witnessing a serious neglect.
Why not you ask the jail authority who are the mainly responsible for this kind of things? We have no access, we cannot enter inside also. We cannot conduct raid also. It is with them. We have given some suggestions like install CCTV cameras, and then the regular conducting the raid of the inmates of the jail, search, frisking, and other people who are coming to meet these inmates, they should be searched thoroughly by the security personnel of the jail.
After investigating the case for 17 days, anti-burglary squad of Goa police finally succeeded to crack Nuve robbery case. Robbers had not only robbed but also had brutally assaulted two senior citizens. During the course of investigation, it has been revealed that conspiracy of robbery was hatched by a murderer under trial, Anil Maruti Bhoye, from inside the Sada jail using a mobile phone. Bhoye contacted other arrested robbers, namely Rahul Jadhav and Mohammad Sadiq. They executed the robbery.
Important issue in this case is that one accused who have been arrested, he was in the jail, Sada jail, and he has planned, we can say he is a coordinator, or he has coordinated this robbery while in the jail. He has contacted some of his associates who were camping outside the jail, and on his direction this entire case has been committed.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Leaders from South Goa are raising their voice against the hearing scheduled in Perne on Mopa Airport EIA on Sunday, 1st February. GFDO, Churchill Alimau and farmers from Mopa have termed the EIA report on Mopa Airport as bogus. Goans for Dabuli have further contended that Neela Mohanan, being a government officer, cannot conduct this hearing. Churchill has demanded postponement of the hearing. Mopa farmers fear tension between Mopa Airport supporters and opponents during the hearing.
Goa Pollution Control Board will hold a public hearing at Pedne on Mopa Airport EIA on 1st February. Leaders from South Goa and Daboli Airport supporters have started opposing this move. IAS Neela Mohanan will conduct a hearing on Mopa Airport. Goans for Dabolim have opposed it.
गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचो तिजेर डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल आसा, ती गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचे इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स घेता आनी तो ते कितें सांगतात, पॉलिटिशियन्स सांगतात ताजे भायर ती वचूं शकना. तशें एक्चुअली नीला मोहननान म्हणपाक जाय आशिल्लें की आपूण ही केस हियर करूं शकना, कारण आनी एक गोश्ट आहा तिगेली पर्सनल, की तिगेलो घोव जो आसा तो सेक्रेटरी PPP आसा आणि हो मोपा प्रोजेक्ट आसा तो PPP अंडर घेतिल्लो आसा.
A public meeting tomorrow. Margaon, Loya मैदानाचेर 3:30 वरांचेर.
Former Minister Churchill has demanded postponement of this public hearing.
Environment impact तो रिपोर्ट पाठ दिला तो सारको पावसा तयार पडतो आल्या तेंगे 1 तारखे पड्या त्यांचा तू फाटी दवची म्हणून तुवें पावसा आता ते तर जबरदस्तीन दवरताय जाल्यार ते तेंगे डिसिजन पण हांव वयतलो दिला.
Mopa Vimantal Pidit Shetkari Samiti fears a clash between Mopa airport supporters and opponents during the public hearing.
साऊथ गोवाच्या लोकांक टार्गेट दिला गव्हर्नमेंटाक की आम्ही 5,000 तरी लोक थंय पावतले. तेंचो राग धरून हे लोक आमचे नॉर्थ गोवाचे थोडेशे लोक अशे तेंचे भितर पेट्टले, फाल्यां सकाळी पेट्टले थंयसर स्पॉटाचेर आणि आम्ही थंयसर चिरडले गेलेले जातले.
Nawaz Sheikh and Savio Dias for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.